Let me know. How's your weekend? Hopefully you did some cool shit. Hopefully you smashed the weekend. Were productive, all that good stuff. Hopefully you killed that shit. Let me get myself in frame. It'll be okay, fuck it. Cool, man. Cool. What is good, chat? What is good? What is good? What is good? Full Power Lad, Laron, Noodle Holtz, Victory Settings, Tommy Zhang, Emmanuel. What's good? What's good? What is good? What is good? Crypto Maniacs here. Cedric Diggory. Let's go. Let's go. Baron. How's everyone's weekend, man? How's everyone's weekend? Yo, Sachaba, what's good, my brother? How are you? What's good? What's good? Cool, chat. Let me fix this. Nothing much, just chilling on the weekend. I feel you. I feel you. Cool. Yeah, that's better. Nice, nice, nice. My mic is low. Oh, it is. You're right. It is. Thank you. Cool. Good fix. Jeez, chat. I don't know why. Every time I come back, shit's changed with my settings, but it's fine. It's fine. Right. We're here. We're here. We're here. I must have accidentally turned that shit down, but cool, chat. Like the stream. Let's get into it this morning. It's gonna be a good week. We've got a lot of potential this week. There's so much news this week. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, man. Let's get straight into it. So. Let's do this little breakdown. Gold obviously did close bearish for the week. The first bearish closure in a couple of weeks, right? In like 3 weeks. The current weekly has come down and grabbed the bottom wick. It looks as if we do need to come up and grab a bigger bottom wick before we do continue to come back down. Potentially, right? Potentially. Daily, similar sort of thing as well. What is important to note on the daily is that we did close below this most recent level here. So that should indicate to us that we do have range to continue downwards. I mean, it's pretty clean traffic all the way down here. But I would say if that was to happen, we do need to at least break the highs to continue to flip down. We need some more liquidity. Otherwise, you know, we could just be stuck. So that's that on gold. The 4 hour as well. I mean, it closes in 30 minutes, right? But it has come up without a bottom wick. So does that mean we can grab something potentially, right? Does it mean it can flip? Probably not. Because we've only got 30 minutes left. Unless the volume comes in right now for us to flip, then I don't know. On the 1 hour though, what are we looking at? Let me just take this line off here. Jesus, bright as fuck outside. That's crazy. On the 1 hour, we were pushing. We are now rejecting off this level over here. And we're looking a bit doji at the moment. But previous 1 hour did close with no top wick, so if this candle does start to flip, we should be able to see us continue to come downwards without a problem, I do believe. So in terms of our levels, what are we looking for then? I do believe we can take sells below. Let me see actually, what's the gap from here to here? Yeah, actually, we can take sells below this area up here at 2146.3. If we do close below that and don't get a position, then we'll just push the level down to this level and then to this one. Pretty simple. We'll just wait until we close below a level that we can take advantage of. In terms of buys then, obviously we are breaking back into this range if we do close above here. So this can be our range 1 in terms of buys. Range 2, I think we're going to be looking at around, yeah, we're looking at around this area here at 2161, I believe. I mean, it's quite far away, chat, but the thing is, we don't want to get caught out in fake outs, right? So, actually, yeah, we can use this level here. We use this level here at 2160.3. Still quite far away, but that's what we'll be looking for in terms of today. I do believe, let me just see. Yeah, that works out. Cool. Hope that makes sense for you, chat. If it doesn't, obviously let me know. And feel free to ask any questions that you do have. But yeah, that should be the analysis today for gold. Sells below 2145.9 and then range 1 buys at 2153 with range 2 buys above 2160.3. Clean traffic as in there's no support levels. Yeah, so clean traffic just means that there's a lot of room to move, right? Let me just put this over here because it's super bright in my eyes. It means there's a lot of room to move. So yeah, no levels sort of in this area on the daily time frame, right? Like if we close below, there's just nothing, right? Absolutely no levels. So yeah, that's what clean traffic means. A good question. Good morning, Mia. How are you? Cool. Cool. Let me get on to EuroUSD now. Apologies, was just fixing the camera quickly. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, that's fine. Cool. So, EuroUSD, what is going on over here? Let's see. Let's take a quick little look. So, the weekly did close bearish. We did respect... Actually, we closed below this kind of support level just here, but we did respect this level over here at 108.688. So it's interesting. We are in a part of a wider range, right? If you were to look at this, you could probably say that we are stuck in between a weekly range between here and here. So, you know, I do believe we are just going to bounce in this range on the macro time frame until we start to break out, whenever that will be. But dropping down to the daily closed weak bullish doji. Does that mean that when we break these highs, we continue upwards potentially, right? We respected also these levels over here at 108.823, sorry. And yeah, these other levels over here. So there is potential for us to come up on this week and grab that weekly top wick today. We do break these highs. So I will be looking for range 2 in both directions for EuroUSD. It's a bit tough at the moment. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. So that means in terms of buys, our first level is going to be over here at 108.93, which we are about to close above. That doesn't mean we can grab anything yet though, because obviously, like I said, we're looking for range 2. So range 2 is going to put us just up here above 109.036. That's pretty simple in terms of that. Now in terms for sells, what we'll look for is we'll use this as a range 1 as well. Obviously, if we do close above here and close back below, that is just a fake out. So anything closing below 108.833 now can be our sells below. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys, chat. But that's what I'd be looking for. Morning, Jules. How are you? Yeah, anyone catch anything this morning? Anyone got anything so far? Anyone start the week off nicely with a dub? Good, mate. And you? Yeah, I'm very good, thanks. I'm very, very good. Excited to start the week, to be honest. Caught sales in Discord, nice. SB caught sales in Discord. Nice. I caught 50 pips on gold. Luke Williams, big dubs, bro. Congrats. That's crazy. Caught some Z's. That's about it. Yeah, fair enough, bro. Faisal, what's good, brother? Do you prefer taking the fake out? I don't prefer taking the fake out. I'll take the breakout or the fake out. They're both good positions, so I don't really have a preference, to be honest. I do believe gold continues to come down though. It's just whether or not we need to grab a lot more liquidity first. That is the only issue. W analysis as always. Spion, thank you, brother. Cool, chat. Cool. Everyone get the analysis so everyone understand that. Anyone have any questions? Feel free. I need to set the zoom up. I just realized I completely forgot to set the zoom up. So that's my bad. Cool. Clean, clean, clean. Good stuff. Good stuff. What's good, Geordie? How are you? What's going on, brother? Let me send out the Zoom link real quick as well. Cool. Yeah, it was a busy weekend for me though. I've got a lot coming for you guys. I've got a video coming out hopefully today. And then I've started filming essentially my video course. So that's obviously going to be free for you guys. I'm going to put out the, I'm going to put out essentially a one-stop shop for trading, right? It's going to be a playlist on my YouTube, and you're going to come to it and it's going to answer everything you need about trading, right? From the very beginning. So literally, I've gone in from beginner levels, from what is a pip to, the strategy, all that good stuff, psychology, everything. LeRon, what's good, bro? Hey, Sam, if your range in between is big enough, would you take a trade within it? Yeah, sometimes, right? Sometimes. I mean, this range is big enough too. But it just depends, right? And this is too. So potentially if we get an onion here, I'll take the sells to continue downwards. That is a very big possibility too. So yeah, good question. But no, definitely. So the onion play we have is essentially a play within the range. So that's something we can look forward to if we get the right closures. Good question there. What about buy from 21.53? And I'm in gold buy from 21.49, 30 minute, no top wick, of close above. I can't take a buy above 21.53. It's only range 1 for me, and I'm bearish on the daily on gold, so, and the weekly. So I can't take that. I'd have to wait for a range 2 breakout. But chat, if this next 30-minute candle does come and close bearish, I suppose it'll be the hourly too, hopefully. Then we get a top wick and continue to flip down. Then we will, we will be looking for sells off that. That is a very good position that has worked for us in the past. So we'll look for that for sure. Have you talked about gold already? Yes, Luna, I have. But essentially, these are my ranges. I'm waiting for a closure above one of them or an onion play like I just discussed. Cool. SG, you were looking sexy in that YouTube vlog and Insta post. Appreciate it, bro. Little cutie pie. I hope you will not stream tomorrow in that Potter costume, because I won't be there because I have to take a job interview to make some money on the side while trying to get profitable trader. I just pinned that by accident. Yeah, good stuff, bro. No, that's fine. I don't think it'll be tomorrow anyway. I don't even have the costume yet. I think it's still being delivered, so don't worry about it. I'll wait for Wednesday for you, bro. But yeah. W, that sounds like a crazy series. Yeah, it should be good, bro. It should be good. I'm trying to bring out a lot of free value. So I've had a lot of people say, do you have any series to start learning to trade? And I didn't have an answer, so I thought I'd make one myself, Can you explain what is the onion player? Yes, I will do in one sec. We'll do in one sec. What's good, Yannick? How you doing, brother? How you doing? You delaying it intentionally now, SG? Nah, I'm not. I don't have the costume. What do you want me to do? I can't wear something that I don't have. Oh, yeah, also, I've just remembered, LeRon asked me a question on Instagram. I said I'd answer it on stream for him. So, let's do that right now. Give me one sec. Where was it? Right. So, you said Hey, just wanted to text you and get your advice. I've been on a funded decay account and I've been on a bit of a losing streak lately. Been jumping here and there a bit with strategies as well. I guess my psychology has been off and I just wanted to know how you usually deal with losing streaks and keep going at the same pace. Thanks, buddy. Great question, brother. Great question. So, the answer to that is, firstly, you don't want to be switching strategies at all. You want to pick a strategy and completely go with it, right? Just stick with your strategy, master it, and if you get to the point where you know everything about it and then you think it's not right for you or your mindset, then you can maybe change. But before that, try and master the strategy before you start to switch. Secondly, in terms of losing streaks happen in trading, right? It's just probability. It's a law of large numbers. Eventually you are going to get a streak of losses. That's fine. Doesn't mean anything's wrong with you as a trader. It doesn't mean anything's wrong with your strategy. So don't change anything. Just keep going the way you are. Trade, take every trade as its own trade. Don't be thinking about previous trades when you're going into this one. You think of every trade as its own individual event, right? So if you imagine, if you imagine every trade being on a new account or you're a new trader, you're not going to think about how many losses you've taken or what you need to recover in order to make back those losses, etc. Every trade should be a fresh trade. In terms of losing streaks, don't even take account of them. Don't count how many losses you've had, any of that stuff. Just journal, figure out what went wrong, and move on. That's literally the only way you can do it. And if you get past that point, then you'll be fine and you'll kill it as a trader, bro. Yeah, psychology-wise as well. Obviously, a lot of people have told me that the psychology journal that I have really helps. So yeah, Geordie's just put that down in the chat before I even started speaking about it. He read my mind. But honestly, use that journal. Every time you take a trade, write about how your psychology was and all of that good stuff. And then you're going to start consciously thinking about it, right? The trick is to make sure that you're consciously thinking about what's going on in your head whilst you're trading. If you do that, you're going to be fine. And then you can make adjustments once you actually figure out what is going wrong. The only way to do it, right? You have to realize what's going wrong, be conscious of what's happening, and then make adjustments in that order. But you'll be fine, bro. Win streaks and losing streaks happen. It is what it is, man. Same way that a win streak can affect you as well. You don't want to let a win streak get into your head and yeah, ruin your trading. Same with a losing streak. Bro, your vibe is super cool. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Owen, what's up? How are you? Cool. Trend lines, can you check chart ideas like Raja? I don't know what you mean by that, bro. But I do kind of trade a bit like Raja, but more like Don. Hussein, 15-minute pineapple. A pineapple is an extra position, so I don't know what you mean by that. Unless you mean a 15-minute onion, probably. But no. I have a 100% loss rate with my own trades until now. I'm a professional. That's all good, bro. That's all good. You'll get there, bro. You'll get there for sure. Aditya, I'm gonna dip off now, chat. I got to study for jobs. Yeah, all good, bro. See you in a bit. Cool. Bro, please explain the onion. Yeah, okay, I'll explain the onion to you. So, the onion play is a play within the range, right? With the bias. So, what we would be looking for is a closure like this on the 30-minute. Once the 30 closes like this, we'd be looking for a top wick on the next candle. Depending on how big that top wick is, we'd either take a sell on the flip
or on the break of these previous lows. And yeah, once that happens, we take a sell for us to continue downwards to fill the range like this. Essentially, this is the onion play. The reason for that is we've come down, retraced a little bit to the top of the range, and now we are, you know, starting to come back in the direction of the bias. So essentially, it's about catching. It's not showing on stream again. My bad. Why? That's so weird. I have no clue why that is. Why can't you see my drawings? I'm sharing my entire screen as well, so I don't really understand why. Oh, there you go. Alright, cool. My bad. I don't know why that happened, chat, but technology. Cool, yeah, so apologies. Let me go through that one more time quickly. So the onion play is like this. We've come up in this, you know, we've come down, sorry, all the way down to the bottom of this range. This is our bias at the minute. Now we've got a small retrace up to the top of the range, and we started to reject off this support level. Now, once we do get a bearish closure like this, hopefully a bit more strong bearish, but once we do get that closure, what we would be looking for then is on the next candle, we would want a top wick to, you know, grab some liquidity. Once that candle flips or breaks the lows, depending on if there's a big top wick, we'll take it off the flip. If it's a small one, we take it off the break of the lows. And yeah, once it does do that, we take the sells to continue down to the bottom of the range, and that's what we'd be looking for. And that's the onion play, Luna. And then your stop loss would be above the previous highs, and take profit would be at the bottom of the range. Hopefully that makes sense. Pretty simple explanation, right? But it should make sense to you. Yeah, chat, leave a like for the education and the breakdown. It's Monday, let's start the week off right. Want to do everything perfectly this week, you know? Let's see though, what's the hourly looking at? The 4 hour. Yes, chat, so this 30 closure will also be a 4 hour closure. So because of that, we are going to need a bigger top wick if we do continue to come down. Obviously the 4 hour is closing bullish, so I mean it doesn't affect us too much, because if we do start to reject anyway, we could just take advantage of that 4 hour bottom wick. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see what happens. I do believe if we do close like this though, we should be good to continue downwards. We just need to make sure we get that top wick. I would like the hourly to close bearish too. Look at Eurusd. Yeah, it's just rejecting off that level. Okay. Cool. Pitbull, what's good, bro? Afternoon, everyone. Hope you all caught some pips today. It's 8 AM, but yeah. Time zones, right? What's good, Eugene? Good, what's good? Hey Sam, suppose we were still down at 21.45 and the daily was bearish. If it closed strong bullish, would you take a buy? And would that maybe count as an onion? You're talking about if we were down here. You're talking about taking an onion to the upside, right? No, I wouldn't. I mean, some people do, but I wouldn't. I don't take it against the bias. I don't like to take them against the bias, to be honest. That's just me, though. But in my opinion, the onion play works best as a retracement, right? So you could either think of it this way. You can either try and catch the retracement, or you can either try and hop on the wave and continue down after the retracement happens, right? But I don't like to take reversal trades. I'm not that kind of guy. So yeah, like for example, obviously basic market structure is lower lows, lower highs, continue down like this. Now what we're doing is making one of those lower highs. Now I want to try and take advantage of another lower low, right? So that's what we're trying to do. Pretty simple. Especially also the chart is going to be more forgiving if you go with the buyers, right? Although if the daily does start to flip, then we'll change our minds on that idea, right? We'll scrap that idea off. All about adapting, right? All about adapting. See, look, now that this 30 is flipped and we're looking to close above the level, kind of defeats the point, right? Adapt. Yeah, exactly, bro. Jordy knows. Oh, Crypto Maniac, I forgot, bro. Forgot I made you a mod in the Discord yesterday, so I gotta make it on YouTube too. Big dubs. Big dubs. Closure respecting, we go for sells, question mark. No, we need a bearish closure. We need a bearish closure. So I would want us to close somewhere down here, you know, at 21.52 or somewhere like that. Not like this, testing the level. Eurusd as well is pushing, which is interesting. Chat, we took a loss last week in the signals channel. Actually 2 losses back to back. So for full transparency, obviously these are the first losses that we've taken, but we did take 2 losses, and that's why I played bounce back at the start of the stream. Doesn't affect us, right? It doesn't affect us, but we do understand that we have to adapt and change the way that we are taking these trades. So yeah. But obviously that'll be reflected in the record. I believe it's already in the stream journal. If it's not, then I'll add it. I can't remember if I put it in or not, but that's fine. I think I put one of them in. Still up for the week, up for the month, that good stuff, so it doesn't matter. But that's another reason why I'm not taking a buys above this level, because we did get caught in a fake out. That was how we took the loss. So I don't want to get caught in another fake out by taking a range 1 buys. Yeah, so that's why. Daily flip is also approaching though. It is, you're right, it is, but the daily can flip and reflip anytime. But I do understand that. W Mentor, appreciate you guys. Appreciate you. We were able to manage risk. They weren't too big losses. I think it was like one was 36 pips and one was 40 or something like that. So you have a signals channel? Yeah, I do. Signals is there. It's not just signals though. So if you do join that channel, you also get access to daily education calls. We all jump in a call and learn stuff. It's very, you know, it's very good value for money, I would say. You get an hour of my time every day, which I don't know any other mentors who are doing that for this price. Like $1 a day, right? So, yeah, man. W trend fam. That could be one. That could be one. But yeah, chat, I appreciate you for being out here on a Monday. If you are here early, bright and early in your day, ready to learn, ready to kill the week, then give yourselves, you know, give yourselves a pat on the back, you know, be proud of yourselves. You're hustling, you're grinding away to a better future. So appreciate yourself for the work that you're doing. And yeah, man. Sometimes you have to give yourself some acknowledgement of the work that you're doing. And if you're here earlier and putting in more work than other people, then you're going to get better results than other people, right? You have to do the work that the 99% doesn't to get the results that the 1% has. All right? But you guys all know that anyway. Team trend lines. Appreciate it. Morning, Khalid. How are you? How are you, bro? What's good? Okay, chat. The 4 hours closing in 2 minutes here. 2 minutes. Locked in, bro. Good stuff, full power, lad. Good stuff. Said the school run's done. Nice. Good to hear it. Yeah, get locked in, yeah. I will make some more mods as well in the coming month. So Cryptomaniac got his chance, but there's gonna be some more people coming. But not quite yet, I don't think. When we grow a little bit more, then we will. Looks like great buys opportunity, maybe. It does look like good buys for EURUSD, but again, I don't want to get caught in this fake out. I'd rather us close above the next level. Gold as well. Potentially right, but this is range 2 for me. Unless you wanted to count this as a range 1, but I don't want to do that. So I'm going to wait for range 2 up here at 2160. It's quite far away, I know, chat, but or we'll wait for the onion play. That's the other thing. Or we'll wait for the onion play. Samuel Binary Trader, what's good, bro? How are you? How are you? Have you got RuneScape music on? No. I've never played RuneScape actually, but I've just got some lo-fi playlist on. But yeah, I want to see everyone in the Discord locked in this week. I want to make it a banger week for everyone. I want everyone to have the best trading week that they've had. And that doesn't mean getting the most profits, right? Just stick to your plan, stick to your strategy, take some dubs, all that good stuff, man. But the community is flourishing, right? I see people in the Discord now every day talking about strategies, helping each other out, and I love to see it, man. Absolutely love to see it. So I appreciate you all for that. It means a lot. It means a lot. Luna, you asked for the Discord link. I just sent it in. Yeah, so EURUSD closed exactly at the level that we had before, and gold, I'm pretty sure, did a similar thing, right? Yeah, gold closed exactly at the level. On the 4 hour, let's see. On the 4 hour, we are coming up to grab a top wick. Does that mean we can continue downwards? Potentially, right? But obviously, we didn't get that bearish closure on the 30 or the one that we were looking for. So we're going to have to wait for some more closures and see what happens. W Trend Sam SG Lines. W Real Mentor. I appreciate you, Race. Means a lot, bro. Means a lot. Yeah, like the stream though, chat, as well, whilst you're here. Leave a like, may as well. Good morning, Peter. How are you? What's good? What's good? What's good? Cool, chat. Can we get to 50 likes? We only need 20 more. There's 100 people in here. Only 30 likes, so let's try and run it up. It really does help push the algorithm. I appreciate you all. But yeah, chat, a lot of potential for today, a lot of potential for this week. Let's look at the news. I completely forgot to do that, but I do think, yeah, there's nothing today, right? But I do think that in the coming week, there is a lot of news. Yeah. So, wow, a lot of Australian news, Japanese news, Canadian news, no US news. That's weird. Let's see. Wow. Oh, we have FOMC this week. I forgot about that. Nice. So we have FOMC this week. We do have an orange folder whilst we're on stream on Wednesday, but you know, I don't know how much that's going to affect us. We'll see. Jesus, chat. This is a lot of news, you know. So Thursday we're gonna have red folders on stream. That should be fun. I need to remind myself on Thursday to get on the stream a little bit earlier so that we can watch those play out. And we also have another one on stream here. PMI for the UK, for Great Britain. That is interesting. And then PMI for US dollar later on, and unemployment claims. Jesus, that's a wow. If you trade GJ, chat, this is a big day for you. I know Peter's going to be smiling in the chat right now. Big GJ trader. Then Friday. Friday's a Euro summit all day. That doesn't sound nice. That sounds like one of those events that's going to mess with price the entire day, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it is what it is. And then Fed Chair Powell speaks at 1 o'clock. So much news this week, chat. So that means there should be a lot of volume, right? A lot of volume. So as long as you can navigate the news, avoid the minefield, then you'll be fine. What's good, Rigged? How are you? $75 people sitting in here getting all the free value and haven't liked yet. Pump up the likes, chat. Appreciate you, Crypto Maniac. But yeah, chat, so a lot of news. It should be good for the week. I do believe that, you know, we need to see how these news folders are going to push us, alright? It could do anything, especially with gold at these highs. If the gold daily does flip and news continues to push us in the right direction, it could be, you know, it could be a crazy week. Could be a crazy week. What's the monthly look like? Interesting that the last monthly actually closed below support. So this monthly, we have 11 days left. Can you imagine, chat, if it was just a liquidity grab for us to come back down? Can you imagine? But no, I don't think it is. I don't think it is. Chat, the year's nearly 25% over. Think about that, right? What have you achieved in this 25% of the year so far? Yeah, a quarter of the year is gone, right? So if you haven't achieved what you want to achieve, or even, you know, you should be a quarter of the way to what you want to achieve by now. Your goal was 10k in funded payouts, you should be at 2.5k right now. If you're not, it doesn't make a difference. And that's kind of a bad example, I'm not going to lie. But whatever your goal is, right? If your goal was to get shredded, you should have a plan to be there, and you should be halfway through, a quarter of the way through that plan. Etc, etc, you know? I feel like people set goals for the year and then they stop, you know. I think Tate was talking about this actually, but they stop analyzing where they are in the year. You know, they just say, oh yeah, by the end of the year I'm going to do this, by the end of the year I'm going to do that. But if you're not looking at where you are in the year and actually how much you have achieved, then you're never going to do that, right? Yawn in, chat. Yawn in. Cool. Let's see, what could we have here, chat? If we start to get a 30 closure on EURUSD back into this range here, we can look for our sells, because there could be a fake out coming. In terms of gold, there's just nothing, to be honest, at the moment. 4 hours just closed, and we are coming up with no bottom wick at the moment. Daily is about to flip, I do understand that, but doesn't mean we can just take something off that daily flip, you know. Hey Sam, what do you think about the sell on gold on the 30 flip back into the range? Nah, I can't take that, because this level closed, it closed at support, right? But it also could have closed above support, you know. Like for example, it closed above this level here. If this is in your plan to take that, then maybe take it, right? I do believe Huss has a play that's like this. You know, like he would have maybe taken it off the wick, but that's not in my playbook, so I'm not going to take it. But maybe if Huss was streaming, you guys would have got that, but not in my playbook. Also, I don't actually know if that is his play. I don't fully understand it, so don't quote me on that. But you know what I mean. I'm just saying, it's not in my playbook. What's up, John? How you doing, bro? Good, what's good? What's up, Malenko, as well, by the way? What's good? Chat, at some point this week, you are going to see me in a Harry Potter costume. So that alone should keep bringing you back to the streams. Tyler, what's good? Maybe if this closes above and then prints a fake out, then you could take that. Yeah, so on gold, I would, even to be fair, any closure back into this range. So even if this next 30 closes back down into this range, we can look to take that as well. EURUSD, similar sort of thing, right? All I want is for this next 30 to close back into this range, and we can take well, no, we can't take sales, but then we can, you know, look to continue downwards. But I still have to wait for below here for the EURUSD sales. Apologies, but for gold, yeah, if we do start to close back below 2153.5, then yeah, I'll look for sales for sure, for sure. You are doing Harry Potter cosplay. Yeah, I lost a bet. Well, not really a bet. We had a wager that whenever I reached 1k subs, I'd do that, and obviously we reached 1k subs. Chat, we need one for 5k subs as well now. That's my next milestone. We need a wager for 5k subs. What do you think? What do you think? Because I feel like that sped up our process to getting there. I'm not gonna lie. We're very focused on it. Eat a bowl of beans. I'll be the elf cosplay. Nah. 5k subs, we all meet up in Harry Potter costumes. Yeah, let's go. I'm down. 5k gym stream, that's cool. Giveaway too. Yeah, chat, I am going to bring you some giveaways very, very soon. I'm trying to sort some stuff out with ACG because I want to give you away some big accounts. If they don't come back to me soon, then I'll just like fund the giveaway myself. It's not a problem. But I'm gonna try and do some huge giveaways for you. You are subbed and all that stuff. Thinking about ways to do it as well. I want to do it right. So yeah. Daily just flipped, did it? No, not yet. I don't think. No, I didn't yet. Any IC account to give away? I don't think I can give away an IC account because it's like a brokerage, right? I'd have to like fund it as well. But yeah. No, I'll definitely give away funded accounts for sure. And maybe some other stuff too. If we can get some cool stuff to give away, then that'd be great. $99 off the 100k challenge with your code. Crazy, bro. Yeah, so yeah, chat. If you do want to get a funded, use code SG on Alpha Capital. They are the funded company that I do recommend. They are a very good prop firm. I've got a comprehensive and honest review of them coming out today, I do believe. I'm quite proud of the video. So yeah, should be good. But as Eugene just said, you get $99 off of a 100k challenge. That's crazy. That's a huge discount. It's 25% off at the moment. So they just upped it. If you do want to get your discount, get 25% off a funded account, go to there. If you sign up with the link as well, I do believe we'll be doing giveaways for people that sign up with that exact link if you're not already signed up. So yeah. Cool. When is the merch drop? Great question. It's coming. It's not going to be for a while because I'm trying to find a supplier, right? I want to get a decent supplier for you all. Not decent. I want to get the best quality, the best quality for you, right? And I'm going through a number of suppliers, and yeah, I'm gonna see how it goes. But definitely merch coming. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. I think I showed a couple of people in here the other day. Obviously, I showed you one of the designs on stream, but nowhere near all of them. And yeah, it's gonna be sick, man. It's gonna be so good. I used them a while back. Not bad, but I can't remember their spreads. They had no commission, or am I wrong? Yeah, no. So their spreads are. Listen, they've got no commission, right? So because of that, their spreads are going to be a little bit worse, right? But their spreads are still like manageable, right? Obviously, in this video that I'm releasing, I do explain this, but you have to weigh up certain things, right? You have to weigh up slippage and spreads and commissions. And most brokers that have no commissions have terrible spreads. And yeah, most brokers that have like no spreads obviously have commission. But ACG, you know, I do think that it's very, very worth it to have no commission. Their spreads are very good for being no commission. So out of all three, I think they have the best balance of them all. That's why I picked it. That's why I picked them for sure. You can pick raw spread or commissions. What does that mean? Raw spread means that you have no commissions and the spread changes with the market volatility. And commissions, obviously you pay a commission, but you'll get a better fixed spread, I think. But I go with raw spread. It's way better, in my opinion. Chat, I had a TFT account, right, back in the day. Let me see if I can still show you this. I don't think I can, actually. No, I can't. I had a TFT phase 1 account that I passed, chat, and I had $4,000 in commissions that I'd paid. Which means that I'd actually got an extra 4%. No, an extra 8%, apologies, because it was a 50k account. So I had to get 16% to pass my phase 1 because of the commissions. Which is nuts if you think about it. That is crazy. But obviously, I did end up passing, but yeah. Mad. The no commissions is definitely good, and that's why I'm on ACG now. What's use EA? Just leave that. That's essentially like an expert advisor. Means whether or not you can use like a bot. But you're not going to use a bot, right? So are you on the site now, Eugene? But like, yeah. Cool, man. Good stuff. It's gonna be fire for you. That's gonna be sick. Chat, I'm going to London on Friday too, so I'm gonna take a videographer with me. I'm going on a podcast, and yeah, I'm gonna take my videographer, vlog the day. Thinking about doing another YouTube video as well. I might do some like spending challenge or some shit like that. I don't know, we'll see. But there's gonna be some crazy content coming. Absolutely sick content. So stay tuned, chat. You going on Riz? Nah, bro. I wish. Not yet. That'll come, but not yet. The vlog might feature Bean Boy. Yeah, if you pull up. You pull up. But nah, I'm meeting some huge traders as well, chat. Some big boy traders. You'll see all when I post the vlog, obviously. I'll post some stories as well when I'm there on Friday. But you're gonna see. Meeting some big boy traders. Should be good. Nah, Tyler, not him. Maybe actually. I don't know. We'll see. But nah, there's some other ones. Some other ones. I don't really want to like say it yet, just in case people don't turn up on that. But some big boy traders, definitely like traders with like 7-figure funding, all that good stuff. Get the networking in it. Send English, bro. But yeah, nah, for real. Networking is huge. Definitely huge. Massive part of trading, networking. What's Naz doing? No top wick. Weird. Where have my lines gone? That is the real question, chat. Where are these lines on gold? Okay, there you are. They're back. Let's see, chat. We've got 10 minutes till a 30-minute closure. Are we going to start to close? We're going to start to reject at some point. Close back in the range. Let's see. Yeah, gold's going up. Sure. Isn't the minute, but I do think, yeah, there we go. Chat, am I like a psychic or something? I just said we're going to start to reject and we started rejecting. I swear, what's going on? What is going on? Sidekick. Nah, not a sidekick. A sidekick. This guy. This guy. Whoa, say gold is going to drive down 100 pips. Yeah. Facts. Gold is going to close below the range. It's going to give us a top wick. Then we're going to get an entry. And then it's going to drive down at straight 100 pips and hit our TP. That's exactly what's going to happen. Yeah, I don't know about you, but when I first started trading, well, actually, sometimes even still, I always imagine what it'd be like if, like, let's say we got in a sell, and the moment you get in the sell, like, literally 10 seconds later, it just goes and, like, one candles it straight down to TP. I always think about that. You know? I always, like, well, not always, but sometimes when I'm in a trade, I imagine it in my head, like, what's going to happen if it just goes shoom and absolutely rips it down. Someday, yeah, exactly. It's like beans hitting on pix letters. Someday it's gonna happen. To be fair, it did happen to me once, chat. I don't know if you saw that reel I posted ages ago. I posted a reel absolutely ages ago. I can click on it. Where is it? Oh yeah, this one.
Gold just broke below our support here and closed.
By the way, I was ill as fuck when I was speaking. That's why my voice is so weird.
once it breaks this previous candle low. And yeah, there it is. So just got in sells once gold broke that low.
Chat, why is my voice so high? What's going on?
But we'll see. There's a few minor resistances to the left, and okay, this is going to be stops to break even straight away. What a trade. And I think I'll be closing about, whoa.
Yeah, closed like 1.1k. Just absolutely went down. You sound like Hugh. That's crazy. That's crazy. Hugh, if you're here, Braze has just violated you. Probably try news. Nah, I'm not trying news. We don't trade news. Exactly, Josh. Exactly. Raise, that's so funny. Someone send that to Hugh. I don't think he'll be happy with that. Peter, see you in a bit, bro. Have fun at the gym. What are you training? Chat, what are you lot training as well today? So Monday. Do you lot start the week with legs, or what do you do? Me, I like to get ahead of the week. I trained legs yesterday. I'm trying to be one step ahead of everyone else, you know? That's not why I train legs. I just train legs because that was what was on my plan. But, nah, still, it feels good. Chest and back just done. Crazy, bro. Good stuff. Chest and back's an interesting one. I know some people that train like that. It's too much volume for me, I think. Chest and back. So, chat, we tapped into a level. Here on the 30. We tapped into this level here. And is there one here? Not really. But then we have started to reject. It's very interesting, right? Very interesting. If we do start to get... Oh, if this 30 could come and close below in 5 minutes, that would be excellent. I'd definitely be looking to take that. So can we just push down a little bit further? We do need to leave ourselves a bottom wick, but if we can close below in 5 minutes, that's nice. I'll be looking to take something for sure. My boxes are always too big, you know. I always draw them on the hourly when it's zoned out, but... some shit like this. Cool. That's that one, chat. Let's see. But yeah, we should be looking good here, chat. If we do close below, I'll look to take this trade for sure. I'm so far ahead of everyone else. I trained legs 3 weeks ago. That's jokes. That's jokes. Good stuff. Training my copy machine, then arms. Nice, bro. Arms is good. Beyond. Triceps, good stuff. Good stuff. Had sparring at 6 today. Crazy, bro. You gotta teach me. Let's get a sparring session in. You can beat the shit out of me, but actually teach me. It's very nice. 3 chest, 3 back, and done. Yeah, fair enough. I train for food, eating competitive. No way, bro. That's sick. Proximity official. What's good, bro? Yeah. That's cool, bro. If you actually do that. That's fire. Lock it in. Yeah, for real. Lock it in. You're saying chest and tries today. Good stuff. I think I'm going to hit shoulders today, personally. Monday's legs start off week, right? Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough, Yannick. What, you hitting some big squats or something? Oh, I killed my legs yesterday though, so no chance I'm coming to join you on that one, bro. Absolutely no chance. I'm training 3rd leg extension. That's crazy. That's just out of order. That is out of order. Getting old, metabolism is slow, food eating comp isn't a smart idea with no gym. Might need to hit the gym. I feel you, bro. I feel you. Food eating comp is crazy though. Those guys eat like nothing I've ever seen. I don't know how they do it so quick, you know, but it's mad because they just like dip it in water and then eat it. I don't know. Bro, I'm training and also fasting. Yeah, good stuff, bro. Good stuff for Ramadan, right? Nice. Training fasted is also good for you, you know. If you can do it, alright? Obviously, don't push yourself too hard and get exhausted, but yeah, you'll smash it, bro. You'll smash it. Good stuff. Yeah, what's good, bro? What's good? How are you? I'm very good, bro. I'm very good. How are you? I started doing squats while holding dumbbells, but it doesn't feel good for my lower back, so I don't do many reps. Yeah, belt. Or just do barbell squats. Not too bad, brother. You keeping well? I'm keeping very well. Out here working. Looking for some pips. That stuff, man. Shoulders yesterday for me, wrecked. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. I've got a little twinge in my shoulder, I'm not going to lie. So it might be tough for me to train them today, but we'll see. I might need to get some BPC or some shit. Or strengthen your lower back. Yeah, I'll do that. Tyler, I might have to start training neck, like you suggested, because I went and got my hair cut the other day, right? Also, what do you think, chat? I think it's fresh. But that's besides the point. I went and got my hair cut the other day, and he took a photo of the back of my head for his Instagram or whatever. My neck looked so skinny. I was not happy. I was like, what? It looked like I had a grape on a toothpick, you know? Yeah. Maybe I need to start training neck. Training plan for neck incoming. Yeah, I have no clue how to do it, to be honest. Train your neck like a rugby player. Yeah, I know, that shit's crazy. Like, where they lie on the floor and do that stuff. But yeah. Start doing Muay Thai or BJJ, your neck will get thick as fuck. Yeah, I do want to do Muay Thai, for sure. I want to go to Thailand and do it there. That's my plan. That's the plan. Plus, no chance of getting sparked. Yeah, right, because when you get knocked out, you're, it's actually your head hitting on your cranium that actually, or on your skull, sorry, that, you know, messes with your, that makes you get knocked out, I think. Anyway, mad combo. Yeah. What do you think about impulse entries? I don't take them. I'm not a fan. Whoa, Eurusd is pushing. Wow. Fair enough, chat. Fair enough. It's absolutely ripping up here. I was trying to see if we can take a closure above this level. Let me see, actually. Let me just see. Yeah, it's important to keep looking left, right? So you're going to keep finding levels like this where you've come and closed above, and then you can keep having to push your levels up, and at some point it gets to be not worth it, alright? I mean, this looks like the right level, but then we come back. Does that look okay for us to take? I mean, yeah, it does. What's the advantage point here? This is what we need to weigh up. Like a 4 pip advantage point. If we do get a closure above there, we'll take a look and see how it goes, but to be honest with you, I'm waiting for the higher level. But we'll see how it forms, chat. We'll see how it forms. SG, bro, I'm back for another week. How was you? Yeah, bro, what's good? How are you? Good lungster. Name's so nice, they said it twice. Yeah, man. Cool. So that's what we're going to look for on EURUSD. I mean, listen, it's tough. We could take a position up here on the closure above this level, but we have rejected here numerous times, right? So, yeah. Why didn't you take a position on the flip of the one out to the upside? What's good, Raphael? Cool name. I didn't take it, firstly, one, because it closed exactly at our level, right? So it could have easily rejected. Secondly, this is only a range 1 position, and I'm bearish on EURUSD. Apologies, I'm not bearish, sorry, but it did close at our level. I was thinking about gold there, I got a bit mixed up. But yeah, I didn't want to take this, to be honest, because of the fake outs that had happened before. And we did say that on EURUSD we wanted range 2 in both directions. We said that, you know, because of the fact that we are in a wider range and the price is a bit unpredictable, we want range 2. So we didn't take that. Also, it didn't give us a big enough bottom wick, so many things combined, but that's why. Bro, we missed the gold ride. What did we miss? What did we miss on gold, huh? Tell me. I didn't miss anything. If you missed your trade, then fair enough, but I didn't miss anything. I have no trade here. EURUSD is pushing there, for sure. Makes sense, thank you. All good, brother. All good. Nicholas, what's good, bro? Good to have you back here, man. I'm in gold sales. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, good stuff. Hopefully it works out for you, man. I'm bearish on the day too, so I think you should be okay. Should come down at some point, right? How's futures? I'm gonna be honest, chat. I did blow one of the accounts. I got like 1.7k in profit, and the minimum payout was 2.6, and then the trailing drawdown got me. So yeah, I did blow one, but yeah, I haven't been trading futures, to be honest. I've just been focusing on, since all the ACG stuff happened, since I got some big accounts on Forex, I've been focusing on that. And yeah, that's basically it. I've just been focused on, to be honest, also I did notice that it was pulling my, it was like, I was being pulled from both sides, you know, like futures over here, Forex is over here, and I didn't want to get like pulled in both directions, you know, so I'd rather just lock in on one thing at the moment. Maybe we'll come back to it in a bit, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Happens. Yeah, it does happen, bro, for sure. For sure. I'm not trying to hide it or anything. I also was playing it really aggressive. I was playing it really aggressive. I got up 1.7k in a day. What I should have done is stopped at that point and then waited till the next day. But I thought, you know what, I can get the payout in a day, and that would be sick for a YouTube video. That was literally what's going on in my head. Rather than like thinking about the money, I was like, this is gonna be sick for a YouTube video. Yeah, happens. It happens. It is what it is, man. I don't advise trading like that either. So probably a good thing that it happened that way. It probably brought me back to the strategy again, rather than playing aggressive on a degen account. Which you can do, right? You can have a degen account that you go aggressive on. I have no problem with that, but as long as that doesn't distract from your plan on your real account, then it is what it is. How's the gym going, broski? You want a cut? Nah, I was on a cut. I finished it recently. I've gone back onto a bulk now. I just did sort of like a mini cut to get some leanness back into me, but I got quite lean. I don't know if you saw my Instagram, but I managed to. Oh, where did that come from? Yeah, I managed to get down to quite lean, so now I'm bulking up to put a bit more size on. Hopefully that should be good. But yeah, it's going well, bro. How about you? Cool, chat, cool. So, look, we're sat in this range for a bit. 30's got no bottom wick. Can the 30 flip down and close below? Maybe, right? That would be cool. If this 30 comes up, grabs liquidity, flips, we'd be looking to do something like this, right? We'd be looking something like this. Not the best drawing. Closure like this, and then something like that. Then we'd wait for a top wick and a flip down. And then we should fill that range if that happens. But we have to wait for it to form, right? We have to wait for it to form first, chat. Definitely potential though. What's this I hear about needing a certain number to get a payout with Apex? Yeah, so with Apex you need 6% before you can request a payout. And then once you request a payout, so for example, I think you've got a 25k account, right, Crypto? Actually, I'm going to use a 50k for the example just so that I know the numbers. Just divide it by 2 and you'll be okay. But with a 50k account on Apex, you need to get $2,600 profit before you can get your payout. And then once you do get your payout, the max you can request is 2,000 of that 2.6k, so that you leave yourself with a 500 buffer. And obviously that means that you only have 500 left of trading drawdown once you do request that max payout. So a bit tough with the payouts, but yeah, essentially that's what it means. Hopefully that makes sense to you, Crypto. Bro, I was fasting yesterday and lactic caught me while I was trading. And it was so peak. Oh, training, okay. Yeah, bro. Lactic acid can get you, man. And if you're fasting as well, you can't even take anything to get rid of it. That's tough, bro. That's tough. I feel for you. I feel for you. Make sure that when you do break your fast, you eat enough stuff, you know, for the next day. Like, you want to be, you know, fueling your body properly. On ACG, can you request a payout at any time, even with 1%? Yeah, so with ACG, yeah, you can request a 1% payout for sure. You do need, you need 5 trading days, and your first withdrawal is going to be 14 days after your first trade on the live account. So that's fine, right? That's quicker than most people, most other firms, right? 14 days payouts is decent. I've had to wait 30 days for some, but yeah. So what I recommend is Spion. If you do get to like 1% for your first payout, just do like pop a 0.1 lot for the other 4 days. Let's say that you get to 1% in your first trade, which would be sick. Pop a 0.1 lot, and yeah, and you'll be fine. The only thing you need to make sure is your average trade has to be over a minute. Your average trade duration. Now that's not like a rule to say that they're going to discount your payout if you don't do that, but essentially the only reason they have that is to stop HFT traders, like people that come in with bots and are doing like really high frequency trading, because obviously, yeah, they don't want that. But to be honest, it's going to be pretty difficult to have a trade average underneath a minute. I think my trade average is crazy high. It's like an hour or something, but yeah. Yeah, W explanation, thanks. Yeah, all good, bro. All good. Nicholas, do you think it's better to stick to one big bulk PR to variate, or to variate between bulk cut? Nah, you need to stick with the bulk. Especially if, like, I think you're a hard gainer, right? But if you are a hard gainer, if you're someone who struggles to put on weight, or if you're a little bit skinny, you know, if you're one of those people that's like naturally lean, is what I'm trying to say, and just bulk for ages, man. And then eventually, when you stop the bulk, you're gonna get lean anyway. Just try and put on as much size as possible, and then do a little cut at the end, and you'll be in shape. But yeah, if you're trying to bulk hard, you need to give it at least a year, maybe longer, to be honest. The thing is, right, I kind of had a mistake because I was traveling and I was on holiday and all this stuff, so I ate a little bit too much. I got a little bit fluffy, not like out of shape at all, but I just got a little bit fluffier than I like. Obviously, I have to post on Instagram and all that stuff, so I just did a little mini cut for about a month, 2 months. No, it wasn't even 2 months. It was like a month. And yeah, I mean, I'll show you what happened. I'll show you. Wait, I'll try and send it to myself. The quality's not going to be as good, but I have to send it to my phone. Cool. So in terms of like a cut, right? This is what I have. Oh, I can't even show you. That's so gay. Wait, let me send it on my Discord. What I recommend is, like, if you do bulk a little bit too hard, just do a little mini cut, and yeah, you'll be fine. Trendlines, when you request a payout, did they give you an invoice? An invoice? Do you mean like a receipt or what? They'll give you a certificate, and they'll give you a breakdown of your payout, but in terms of an invoice, I don't know. I've never got an invoice, nah. You'll get like an email saying your payout, and then you'll get a certificate. Oh, for tax. I'm sure you can ask for one, bro. That's a good point, actually. I should probably ask for one too. Yeah, you can just message them and get one. I get you, bro. I know what you mean now, though. Yeah. I know what you mean. Cool, chat. I just checked. I've got 4 hours till my next funded payout. That's nice. 4 hours till I can request a payout. That's pretty perfect. I'm not gonna lie. Pay your tax, guys. Yeah, for real. Pay your tax. Paying tax is cringe. Yeah, it is. It is. But I can't not advise people to pay tax. Now you got to find every way out of it that you can, though, right? Form a corporation, expense your challenges. That's the thing, right, chat? If you're a trader and you give yourself a limited company or whatever it's called in your country, you know, form a company. Then when you buy challenges, those fees are expenses. So now challenges are essentially free because they're offset against your profits. The business expense. So you got to think about stuff like that. And all that good stuff, man. When I make it, I don't want to hear this Happy Nation song from outside. Bro, that's a good reference. I love those videos. I wanted to make one. Back in the day, I was going to make one for... Not back in the day, like last month, I was going to make one for a trading one. I thought it would have slapped. But those videos are so funny. Oh shit, someone sent me a chart link earlier, but I forgot to look at it. If you're still here, the person who sent that Raja Banks chart link or whatever, send it back again and I'll look at it. Cool, chat. 15 minutes here to the hourly close. Oh, nice. So USD's pushing here. Can we get a closure above? That could be quite nice. Let's see. 15 minutes to wait. That's invalid now. All good, bro. My bad. My bad. SG, where were your stops on that fake out we got caught in last week? Yeah, good question, bro. I did try and reply to you, but let me see. Where was the fake out? It was here, right? Somewhere? No, it was here, maybe. Can't remember. My stops were below the hourly lows, so... Was it this? I'm trying to think what position it was. Somewhere around here, maybe. Nah, higher up. Oh, this one? Yeah, it was this one, right? Yeah, it was, I remember. Yeah, so we had a position here, right? I took this, looking to target this area here, and my stop loss was down just below this hourly low here for like 46 pips. So it was down here. That's what it was, Jules. So my stops were just there, below the hourly low. Because once that hourly low was broken, I do believe it was also a 4-hour flip. Yeah, it was. That was also the 4-hour flip and break of the lows. So that means that you could have even had your stops a little bit higher on the 4-hour flip, to be honest. but I just wanted to make it, you know, a higher probability trade. But yeah, once you break those lows and that 4 hour breaks its own lows as well, it's gone. It's gone. And I knew the moment that happened, yeah, we were out of there. Cool, so gold has rejected heavily here. Can we close below? That would be a brilliant position for us. We've got 12 minutes, chat. 12 minutes. Okay, chat, it's my omelette break. Who wants one? Bro, I'll have an omelette, please. What are you putting in it? What toppings have you got at your omelette bar? At the Eugene Jr. omelette bar. Beans. Bean omelette, you know, that's crazy. I'll just drink 6 eggs, please. Yeah, I used to do that, Tyler. I bet you do as well. I bet you love a good raw egg. I've had beans on an omelette. Yeah, same. It's quite good. Pancetta, mushroom, raw red onion, and parmesan. Yeah, nice. Omelette and sucuk. Yeah. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but that stuff is good. That like Turkish sausage or whatever it is. Nah, crazy. Don't. There's no pause there, chat, either. That is mad. The reason is because 4 hour needs to grab liquidity before coming down, and hence buys to the flip first. Yeah. Yeah, potentially. But look, I mean, I just wait for closures, right? That's my strategy. It's what works for me. I think the 4 probably has grabbed enough liquidity to come down. The daily hasn't, though, I don't think. I think the daily needs to grab a lot more liquidity. I don't think this is a big enough top wick for us to make the move down on the daily yet. Or the weekly. So I don't know. Euro news in 10 minutes. Nice. Yellow folder, no? Folder? I think it's yellow folder. Yeah, it doesn't make a difference. Not going to affect anything. Catching a tin of beans at Wild Bears. Crazy. Crazy. Cooking show. Yeah, I'll run a cooking show for sure. If you guys want it. I'm down to do anything, right? There's enough demand for it. I'll do anything. Nothing inappropriate though, chat. Or you start sending mad suggestions in. I know Baron was about to load up a crazy suggestion there. Sure. Cooking with SG. Nah, that's fire. It could be sick. Are you not able to see my chart link? Nah. Send it in the Discord. Just send the actual chart in the Discord. I'll have a look. Realize what I did? Nah, nothing, bro, nothing. Normal cook show for streamers. OF cooking show for pigs. Mad. Mad. Chat. Eurusd is rejecting off the level a little bit. Let's see. Gold. We want gold to reject, but it's not. So, we'll see, right? We'll see. We've got 7 minutes. If we do close like this, I'll probably call it, to be honest, chat. We'll play some pick setters and we'll hop off. But we'll wait and see how this closure works. See what happens, and then, yeah. Yes, pixel letters. Not yet, we've got 7 minutes, right? There's still potential here, chat. Stay locked in just for a little bit longer. Oh. And then we'll get involved. But yeah, Ghazi, send it in the Discord and I'll look at your chat for sure. A kidnapped captain and sold his wrench. I'm the captain now. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, chat, look at that. So the 30-minute has flipped here. If we get a closure below, we'll be looking decent, I think. We'll be looking good. Nice, nice, nice. Pump it down, maybe? Is there a song about that? Sorry, chat, just 1 second. I'm getting absolutely spammed with some messages right here. Cool, chat, cool. Let's see what's happening here. So we have 4 minutes to this closure now. 4 minutes. Let's see if we can come down and close below. And on Eurusd, let's see if we can close above, right? I don't have the permission to send in the Discord. You should do, bro. You should do. Have you verified? You have to click on the verified tab and click verify, and then you should be able to send it. Chat, we have 3 minutes to closure. Bear with me 1 second. I'm just gonna go grab a drink and I have to talk to someone real quick. But I'll be back in literally 2 seconds. Is anyone in Zoom? Raise, you can entertain them, bro. If you're there. But yeah, chat, I'll be back in 1 sec.
We're looking at the charts. What's up, Jordy? W. Machine. W Josh. What's up, bro? I'm good, bro. I'm just chilling. I'm looking at US 30 and gold. How you doing, bro? How you doing, Jordy? Speak up. This is as loud I'm gonna be, bro. I can't speak up. Mr. Eugene.
I like beans, man.
What's up?
Jordy chilling on the wave.
Abdul, is it you? Is your name Denise?
You mean Denise?
Nice, bro. What a name. What a name, bro. I was like, who's this? I was like, who am I talking to,
Man, I
bro?
thought they got you out also, bro. Not 2 times. Next time I try another one.
Next time, next time.
Yo, what's good, chat? I'm back. My bad. How we doing? Yo.
Some lift music I hear right now.
Yeah, what's good? How's everyone doing? Good. Nice. Why is that your Zoom name?
I don't know. I like it. I changed
Okay.
also on Discord.
That's the same question, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Like, what is this?
Oh, wait, you sent it in the Zoom. Okay, let me see. Let me see this chart of yours. What am I looking at here?
What is that?
What are these? What are the purple lines? What does everything mean?
Volume?
Ah, so you took a buy up here. So you're stuck. Wait, one sec. This we've just closed here. Oh, we're about to close. Eurusd looks like it's closing above. Let's see if we can get a position on that chart. And gold. What is gold doing? Gold's just going to close normal. Okay. Nah, and we close respecting the level on Eurusd. Sick. Cool, chat. Let's look at this chart real quick. Minor ranges are purple lines. I feel you. So what was this buy based off of? Or is that a buy stop? Are you in the position or not? This is cool. This is a cool indicator. The 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 1 day, and the 1 week. That's kind of cool. Oh, it's a buy stop. Okay. I don't know, bro. If that's part of your plan, then maybe, right? Is that the break of the 1 hour highs again? Yeah, it is. Potentially, right? If that's part of your plan, then take it. Especially now that the 1 hour's closed. If we come up and break that high, you could continue upwards, but I'm not sure. The ranges look good, but yeah. I wouldn't be looking to take that trade personally. If only EURUSD had closed above the level. We got a bottom wick, but now obviously since we closed at the level, I can't take that, to be honest. I can't take it. But it could drive and flip up for all we know, because the most recent level is just here, right? So it has actually closed above that, but not for me. Not for me. Cool. Pick setters time. Yeah. We'll go for pick setters. Chat, if you haven't already, please leave a like. I do appreciate it massively, and it does really help out the channel. We are sitting on 66 likes now. Can we get to 75 before the end of the stream? If you do want to leave, that's fine. Obviously, we are going to call it here and play pick setters, but before you leave, as a little exit fee, just click that button. What's up, Mr. Janez? How we doing? What's good, brother? What's good? Yeah, technically, I mean, listen, look, you don't want to be giving yourself a trade, right? You don't want to be trying to like force yourself a trade, but we did see that the main level on EURUSD was actually down here, right? When we looked back, and then obviously in that case we would have closed above it, but since we did see also another minor level all the way back this way, where are we? Where was it? Yeah, here, right? Since we saw a level there, We don't want to take a trade like that. So we don't want to be doing something like that. You don't want to force a trade and all that good stuff. So yeah. Gold setting nicely, but it's range 1, so can't take it. Yeah, exactly. Exactly that, right? We don't want to be taking a range 1 buy here and get caught in a fake out just like this one was earlier. Very, very key, right? Very key that doesn't happen. Cool. Someone asked a question too, no? Nah. Mr. Graham, what's up, bro? How are you? Yeah, chat. Time for pick stars. Time for our favorite game of the week. Or of the day.
We need to just skill now. Come on. Get the advantage points and the cheats.
Get locked in. Cool, chat. Let's try and keep the 100% win rate going.
Beans again.
Beans again. Suppose you're stuck in a bad trade. How do you deal with it? Good question, Luna. If you're stuck in a bad trade and you want to deal with it, let me answer this question first. You need to try and imagine you're not in the trade and manage risk based off of that, right? So let's say that you're caught in buys or caught in sells down here, right? Would you be looking to take sells again now? Probably not, right? So in that case, you might want to close out the trade early. Obviously, when you get into the trade, you should have your stops and take profit already set. So if you touch those, then obviously you're out, and you don't want to move those stops to give yourself more room or anything. That's not good. But yeah, just imagine it as if you're not in the trade, and would you take the trade again, or would you take the same position right now? But you obviously wouldn't take sells right now, so get out of the trade. But yeah, that's what I'd do. Anyway, back to degeneracy. Any ideas, chat? Any ideas?
Loach.
Lower.
Loach.
Oh.
I kind of just made that word up, but it was real, so.
Loach.
Roach?
Can't be an R.
It could be a W, could be a V, could be an N, could be a H. Josh coming in clutch again, I think, with watch.
Watch, great.
It can't be watch. It can't be watch.
You can't? No, you can't.
But when it is?
The middle one. The middle one.
Ah, you're right.
Teach? No, it can't be teach. Vouch? It can't be vouch. There's no O in the second one. Tough, chat. Tough. You know what, let's do watch and see what it gives us. Okay, so it is an A.
Oh, damn.
What are we looking at here? Can you zoom out a little? Let me do this. Wait. Is that better, Pitbull? Batch. It can't be batch because there's no B or T. Could be. I'm confused now, chat. I'm not gonna lie. This one's tough.
March? No, it's wrong.
Could be March. That's a good guess. I think it is March. Tutti Frutti.
100%.
Alright, no, you're right.
Captain on his alt account again, bro.
Josh, you're
Tutti Frutti
lagging.
comes and smashes it every time.
Yeah. He's too smart.
Too smart. Too smart, too smart, too smart. Cool, chat. One more. I have to get to the dentist soon as well. Not ideal.
Get the grills.
Anything bad?
Nah, nothing
Good.
bad. Just a checkup, but
Okay.
gonna cost me
Need
£1
to dive-
million because I live in the UK.
No insurance.
Yeah. Nah, that's not how it works, but yeah. I've got insurance. 100% win rate. I know, crazy. We're the pick status champs. We really are the pick status champs. Any ideas, chat? Any ideas?
Something with O with an A. Or
Slime?
was
That's a crazy guess. It can't be slime, but I'm gonna guess it anyway.
Oh. Second letter L.
Could be like CL, GL,
Clutch.
EL. Clear? Can't be clear because there's no dot on this. There's no green dot there.
Would it...
Whoa. Went full screen by accident. Can't be elite either. It's tough, chat. What's the second letter? It's got to be a vowel, right? But what vowel? There isn't one, no? Clout?
Cloud.
Good guess. It can't be there.
Can it
T
be
is not
clown?
on the end.
Also,
Down.
there's a dot here on the I, right? So this has to be like a P or something.
No, it can't be a
Or F.
or maybe clown.
Nah. Oh,
Yeah, what is
damn,
the third
voice
letter?
crack.
The third letter's confusing me here, because
It could be an N or CLOW. Could be a W.
Get it, Josh.
no, the third letter there. It can't be an O,
Third.
because there's a dot here, right?
Oh, you're right.
Can't be a T either, because there's no dot there. It has to be like a P or a D or a R.
Hmm.
Wait. No, the third it could be a O.
Oh, it could be a B, you know.
B. What?
Album.
Oh!
Yeah, this guy. Way too smart.
It's
Wait,
so
I
satisfying, chat.
wouldn't- Not even came on that word, bro.
That was a me and Josh link up play there. Josh suggested a little B, little through ball, and I just finished it off.
think
Damn, I feel dumb. Nah.
He needs to warm up.
Yeah, Josh got the assist for sure. Right, last one, chat, and then we'll call it a day. W stream though, W stream so far. Cool. Let's see.
Word? Nah.
Worse. Good guess, 2 Good guess. So there's none of that. Right, okay.
I think an O on the last second letter.
The idea is playing out, by the way, on the gold buy stop triggered. Good stuff, man. GG's. Well, it just got triggered, right? So we'll see how it goes, but nice. Hopefully it goes well for you. What are we looking at? What were we thinking again here?
Horse. Ah, nah. Forget it.
It could be... What letters could it keep? It could be a P or an R. Not a word.
Large?
Oh, that's a good
Oh,
guess.
it could be. Damn.
Josh.
W Abdul or W D.
Nah, it was Josh, bro. Like, not me. I listen to it.
Wait, no one put that.
W Josh. Yeah, Josh.
Oh yeah, chat was lagging. Large, good guess. Wait, was my chat just lagging or something? Mad. Alright, chat. That's gonna be it for the day, I do believe. I think we'll call it there. Zoom, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Thanks for helping out. Thanks for taking over when I had to run away for a bit. Hopefully you didn't say anything too bad.
Take care.
Yeah, peace out, guys. Cool, chat. Appreciate you all very much for coming in. Obviously, it's only Monday, so there's a lot of room for this week. We can be very patient today, and we didn't get our trade, but that's fine, right? We have 5 more days left into the week that we can take advantage of, which is good stuff. But yeah, other than that, make sure if you are trading in New York, you trade safely, trade responsibly, and all of that good stuff. Follow your plan as always. Appreciate you all very much for coming out and showing support. Leave a like before you leave, subscribe if you're new, all that good stuff. And chat, I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.